Hello friends, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope that you are always happy and healthy. Okay, today I will share the review about material in term 1. Yep, in the last meeting we already did the Kahoot game, right? And I already shared the PowerPoint about the review. Yep, today I will share the explanation about the PowerPoint. Okay, in the term 1 test, you can get 25 question. Yeah, and in this day, it's only 15 question. Yep, it's about the review, only the review. But before we study, let's say Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friend, if you have a problem about the material, yep, if you don't understand about my explanation, you can ask me in my WhatsApp number. Okay, check this out. Okay, the material in term 1, yeah, it's about adding 2 and 3 digit numbers in student's book page 22 until 34, and then subtracting for 2 and 3 digit numbers student's book page 38 until 44, and then multiplication by 1 and 2 digit numbers, yep, in student's book page 56 until 61, and then division by 1 digit numbers is in student's book page 71 until 81, and then prime numbers between 1 and 50 in student's book page 87 until 88, and then factors in student's book page 95 until 96, and then multiplus in student's book page 93 until 1994, and then common multiplus and lowest common multiple student's book page 97 until 99. Yeah, you can also learn from your student's book workbook, PowerPoint quiz video in El Mumtaza. Okay, now for the number 1, yeah, it's about adding 2-digit numbers. Yeah, for the example, the result of 97 plus 52 is blah blah blah. Yep, we can adding 97 plus 52. Yep, we can adding. Yeah, this is the ones and this is the tenth. Yep. The first one, we must adding the ones. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 equals to 9. Yeah, so we can put 9 here. Yeah, and then adding the tens. 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 equals to 14. Yeah, 14. Because there is no number here, so we can put 14 here. Yeah, so the answer is 149. D, right? So the answer is D. Next, yeah, adding 3-digit numbers. Yeah, for the example, Rafa bought a storybook. He reads 297 pages in the first week. He has to read another 24 pages to finish the book. How many pages does the storybook have? Okay, so we can adding 297 and 24. Yeah, because how many pages does the storybook have? So we get addition. Yep, where is addition? 297 plus 24. We can adding. Yeah, this is the ones, this is the tens, and this is the hundred, right? 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4. Yep. 7 plus 4 equals to 11. 11, so we can put 1 here. Yep. And then we can keep 1 in the 10. Yep, we can keep 1 to 10. So we can adding the tens. Adding the tens, so 1 plus 9 plus 2, right? 1 plus 9 equals to 10. 10 plus 2 equals to 12, right? So we can put 2 here and we keep 1 in the 100. Yep. And then we can adding the 100. The 100, 1 plus 2 become to 3. We can write 3 here. So the answer is 321. C. Okay. So the answer is C. The keyword for addition are add, sum, total, plus, altogether, and together. Yeah, there are the keywords for addition, especially for the word problem. Okay, the next is subtracting from 2-digit numbers. Yep. Subtract 83 minus 27. Yep, we can use the vertical form. 83 minus 27. Yep. 3 and 7 as 1s, and 8 and 2 as 10. Now, the first one you must subtracting the ones. Yep. 3 minus 7. Yep. 3 smaller than 7, so we cannot subtracting 3 by 7. So we must borrow from 8. 8 become 7. Yep. Because 8 minus 1. Yep. And then 3 become 13 because borrow from 8. Yeah, 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 become 6. Yeah. And then subtracting the tens. 7 minus 2 become 5. So the answer is B, right? Yeah. And then subtracting from 3-digit numbers. Mother had $250. She bought meat from for $115. How much money did she have left? Did she have left? This is the keyword for the subtraction. So we can subtract 250 by 115. Yep. 250 minus 115. So we can minus ones, tens, and 100. Yep. 0 minus 5. 0 is smaller than 5. So we must borrow from 5. 5 is borrowed, so 5 minus 1 become 4. Yep. And then 0 become 10. Yep. 10 minus 5 become 5. And then 4 minus 1 become 3. 2 minus 1 become 1. Yep. So the answer is 135. Yep. A. The answer is A. Yep. The keyword for subtraction are subtract, left, the difference, how many more, minus, less than. Yep. There are the keyword for subtraction. The next is multiplication by 1-digit number. For the example, calculate 153 times 6. We can using the vertical form, yeah. 153 53 times 6. Yeah, we can start from the ones. Yeah, multiply 1 and 1. 6 times 3 become 6 times 3 become 18. Yeah, become 18. So we can put 8 here, and then we can keep 1 here. Yeah, and then we can multiply ones in the bottom number to 10 in top number. 6 times 5. 6 times 5 become to 30. Yeah, become to 30. And then plus 1. Plus 1. 30 plus 1 become 31. So we can put 1 here and then keep 3 here. Yeah. After this, we can multiply ones in the bottom number, 200 in the top number. 6 times 1. Sorry. 6 times 1 become 6 times 1 become 6. And then plus 3. Plus 3. 6 plus 3 become 9. So we can put 9 here. So the answer is 918. Yeah, the answer is A. Yeah. The answer is A. Yep, the next multiplication by 2-digit numbers. The example, a packet contains 43 onions. How many onions would there be in 12 packets? So we can multiply 43 times 12. Yeah, because one packet contains 43. Okay. The first one, you must multiplication the ones in bottom number. Look at the ones in bottom number. 2. 2, you must multiplication by ones in the top number and multiply by the tens in top number. Yeah, the first one you must multiplication 2 by 3. 2 times 3 become 2 times 3 become 6. Yeah, become 6. So we can put 6 here. Yeah. After this, you can multiply 2 by 4. 2 times 4. 2 times 4 become 8. So we can put 8 here. Okay. After this, you can multiply the tens in the bottom number to all number in the top number. The first one, you must multiplication 1 by 3. 1 times 3 become 3. Yeah. So we can put 3 in the tenth. Yeah. After this, you can multiply 1 and 4. 1 multiplied by 4 equals to 4. So we can put 4 here. Yep. After this, we can subtract. We can addition. Yeah, we can adding. Yeah, because the multiplication is repeated addition. Yeah, we can adding 6 plus 0 becomes 6, and then 8 plus 3 become 11. So we can put 1 here and 1 here. 1 plus 4 become 5. So the answer is 516. 516. The answer is B, right? So the answer is B. Okay, the keywords of multiplication are times, multiply by, product, double, every, factor of, and by. Yeah. The next, division by one-digit number. The example is, what is half of 518? Half is same with, we can divide it 518 divided by 2. Yeah. 518 divided by 2. Yeah. So we can look at 5, the first. Yeah. The left number is 5. 5 divided by 2. 2 times blah blah blah. The answer is smaller than 5. Yep. So we can 2 times 2, right? Because 2 times 2 equals to 4. So we can put 2 here. Yep, we can put 2 here. Yep. After this, yep, you can multiply 2 multiply by 2. 4, right? We can put 4 here. And we can subtract them because division is repeated subtraction. 5 minus 4 become 1. Yeah. 1 divided by 2. It's cannot, so we can drop 1 here. 11 divided by 2. 2 times blah blah blah. The result is smaller than 11. How many? 2 times 5, right? Because 2 times 5 equals to 10. Yep, so we can put 5 here. Okay? 5 times 2 become 10. After this, we can minus. 1 minus 0 become 1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Yep. After this, we can look at 1. 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2, it cannot. So we can drop 8. 18 divided by 2. How many? 2 times blah 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 equals to 18. How many? 2 times 9, right? So we can write 9 here. Yep. And then 9 times 2 become 18. We can minus. 8 minus 8 becomes 0. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So the answer is 259. Where is? Yeah, C. The answer is C. Okay, so if there is the question half, yeah, you can divide it the number by 2. Yeah, half it's mean that divided by 2. Okay. So the answer is C. The keyword for division. Sorry, I must clear all. The keyword for the division are divide, divided by, each, between, half, equal, group, share, cut up, and ratio. There are the keyword for addition. And then the next, prime number between 1 and 50. Yep, I already told you that you must memorize the prime number between 1 and 50. There are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, and 47. You must memorize. Yep. The prime number between 1 and 50. Okay. For the example, yep. Eratosthenes was a mathematician that found the prime number. From the number listed below, which are the number that is the prime number? Where is the prime number here? Yep. We can look at the prime number between 1 and 50. Where is 1 is not the prime number, so A, it's not the answer. 7 and 15. 15 is not the prime number. 3, prime number. 12 is not prime number. D, 29, yes. 37, yes. So the answer is D. Okay? Okay, the next. Write the next 3 prime number. 23, 29, blah blah blah. Yep. 23, 29. After this, 31. Where is 31? A or B? And then 37. 37. So the answer is A. 31, 37, and 41. Okay, the answer is A. Okay. So in prime number, you must memorize the prime number between 1 and 50. Now the next, factors. Yeah. For the example, from the number listed below, which one the number that the factor of 30? Yeah. To find the factor of 30, so you must divide them. Where is the number is divisible by 30? Yep. Where is the number is divisible? Yep. 30 divisible by 5 or no? 30 divisible by 8 or no? Yep. We can count it together. 30 divided by 5. Yep. 30 divided by 5. 5 times blah 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 equals to 30. We can get 6, right? 6 times 5 become 30. Yep. 30 minus 30 become 0. So 30 is divisible by 5. Yeah. So 5 is the factor of 30 because it's divisible. Where is about 7? 30 divided by 7. 30 divided by 7. How many? 30 divided by 7. 7 times blah blah blah. 7 times blah blah blah. 7 times 4, right? 7 times 4 equals to 28. Yep. We can minus. 0 minus 8 is cannot, so we can borrow from here. It's become 2, and then 0 become 10. 10 minus 8 become 2. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Yeah. There is remainder. Yeah. So 7 is not factor of 30. And then how about C? Yep. 30 divided by 8. How many? 30 divided by 8. 8 times blah blah blah. The result is smaller than 30. How many? Yes. 8 times 3, right? 8 times 3. 8 times 3 become 24, right? We can minus. 0 minus 4 is cannot, so we can borrow from 3. 3 become 2. Yeah, become 2. And then 0 become 10. 10 minus 4 becomes 6. Yeah. And then 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Yeah. Look at this. Yeah. 6. So there is remainder. Yeah. So 8 is not the factor of 30. Okay. How about 9? How about 9? We can divide it 30 by 9. 30 divided by 9. How many? 9 times blah blah blah. The result is smaller than 30. 9 times 3, right? 9 times 3 equals to 27. Yep. We can minus. 0 minus 7 is cannot, so we can borrow from 3. 3 become 2. Yep. And then 0 become 10. 10 minus 7 become 3, right? And then 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Look at this. Yeah, this is the remainder. So 9 is not the factor of 30. So where is the factor of 30? Yes, 5. 5 is the factor of 3 because it has the remainder. It hasn't the remainder. Yep. Okay. So to find the factor, you must divide it the number to the other number. Okay. Okay, so to find the factor of the number, you must divide it the number to the another number, yeah, and then it must has no remainder, yeah, must has no remainder, yeah, to find the factors. The next, still factors. What are the factor of 9? Yeah, so we can divide it 9 by all the number. 9 divided by 1. 9 divided by 1. How many? Yes. 9 divided by 9 become 9. 9 times 1 become 9. And we can minus because division is repeated subtraction. 9 minus 1 become 0. Yeah. So this is no remainder, no remainder. So 1 is the factor of 9. Yeah, 1 is the factor of 9. How about 2? 9 divided by 2. 2 times blah blah blah. The result is smaller than 9 or same or equals to 9. 9 times blah blah 2 times blah 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 2 times 4, right? 2 times 4 become 8. Yeah, and we can minus. 9 minus 8 become 1. Look at this. This is the remainder. So 2 is not the factor of 9, so we can delete it. Yeah. So A and B is not the answer. How about 3? 9 divided by 3. Divided by 3. How many? 9 divided by 3? Yes, 3. Because 3 times 3 become 9. We can minus. 9 minus 9 becomes 0. Yes, there is no remainder. No remainder. So 3 is the factor of 9. 3 is the factor of 9. How about 4? 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4. How many? 4 times blah blah blah, the result is smaller than 9, or 4 times blah 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 equals to 9. How many? 4 times 2, right? 4 times 2 become 8. And we can minus 9 by 8. 9 minus 8 become 1. Yeah. There is reminder. So 4 is not the factor of 9. Yeah. So where is the answer? Here, D. Yep. Because 9 divided by 9 become 1. Yep. 1. 1 times 9 become 9. We can minus. 9 minus 9 becomes 0. It's no reminder. Yep. So the answer is D. So to find the factor, you must divide it, the number to the another number, and it must has no reminder. Okay, no reminder. Okay. The next multiplus. What are the first 10 multiples of 2? I think it's so easy, right? The first 10 multiples of 2. So we can look at the multiplication of 2. Yep. 2 times 1 become 2. And then 2 times 2 become 4. And then where? We can look at number. Yeah, the answer is D. Yep. 2 times 2 become 2. Sorry, 2 times 1 become 2. 2 times 2 become 4. 2 times 3 become 6. 2 times 4 become 8. 2 times 10 become 2 times 5 become 10. 2 times 6 become 12. 2 times how many? 7 equals to 14. And then 2 times 8 become 16. 2 times 9 become 18. And then 2 times 10 become 20. Yeah. So the answer is D. You can multiplication 2 by 1 until 2 by 10. Okay. The multiplus is the product result. Yeah. The product result. Yeah. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, and so on until 2 times 10, because first 10. So you must multiply 2 by 1 until 2 by 10. Okay? So the answer is D. Yep. And then the next, common multiplus. Yeah, the common multiplus. What are the first 3 common multiples of 3 and 4? Yeah, the common multiples of 3 and 4. So we must find the multiples of 3, and then you must find the multiples of 4, and then you can look at the multiples of 3 and 4 that have the same number. Yeah. The multiples of 3 are, the multiples of 3, and then 6, and then 9, and then 12, and then 15, and then how many? 18, and then 21, and then 24, and then 27, and then 30. Yep. This is the multiples of 3. 3 times 1 become 3, 3 times 2 become 6, and so on. Yep. How about the multiples of 4? The multiples of 4. Yep. So 4 times 1 become 4, 4 times 2 become 8, and then 4 times 3 become 12. Yep. You can after this 4 times 4 become 16, and then 4 times how many? 5 become 20. 30. After this 24, after this 28, and then 32, and then 36, and then 40. Okay, you can look at the multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. Where is the number that have the same number? Where is the same number? Where is the same number? 12. Yep. Right? 12. And then where is? 24. Yep, 24. And where is? Nothing. So you must multiply 3 by 11. 3 times 11 equals to 33. And then after this 3 times 12, 36. Yep. So we can get the answer. Yep. 36. So the answer is 12, 24, and 36. Okay. So the answer is B. Yeah, you must find the multiples of 3 and then find the multiples of 4. After this, you can look at the multiples of 3 and 4 that have the same number. Yeah, this is for common multiplus. Okay, the next. About LCM, lowest common multiplus. Yeah. Sorry, about the LCM, lowest common multiplus. Yeah, the lowest common multiple of 6 and 8 is, so we can, the lowest common multiple, so we can find the multiples of 6, and then you must find the multiples of 8. Same with the common multiples. Yeah, so we can find the multiples of 6. Sorry. The multiples of 6. 6, and then 12, and then 18. After this 24. Yeah. After this, how many? 30, right? And then 36. I think enough. 36. I think enough. And then we must find the multiples of 8. The multiples of 8. 8. And then how many? Yes, 16. And then 24, and then 32. Yeah, so you can look at this. Where is the multiples of 6 and 8 that have the same number? The lowest. 6, nothing in the 8. 12, nothing. 18, nothing. 24. So we can get the 24. 24 is the LCM of 6 and 8. Yep. So you must find the multiples of 6 and then find the multiples of 8. After this, look at the multiples of 6 and 8 that have the same number. And then look at the lowest common multiple. The lowest where is 24. Yep, that have the same number. 24 is the multiples of 6, and then 24 is the multiples of 8. Yep. So the answer is 24. Okay. The next. Yeah. LCM. Okay. Today, Rani and Mika are swimming together. Rani swims every 4 days and Mika swims every 5 days. When will Rani and Mika swim again at the same time? At the same time is the keyword for LCM. Yeah. So we can find the multiples of 4 and then find the multiples of 5. Multiples of 4. Where is multiples of 4? Multiples of 4? 4 and then 8 and then 12 and then 20 and then 24 and then 28 and blah 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 blah, yeah. Okay, how about 5? 5, the multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Wow, we can get the common multiple. Yep, the common multiple of 4 and 5, right? Yep. Where is the common multiple of 4 and 5? Yep, the same number, 20. Yep, is the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5. It's the lowest. Yep, so the answer is yes. They will swim together on the 20th day. Okay, can you get it? Yep. If there is the keyword at the same time, so you must find the LCM of 4 and 5. The LCM, you can find the multiples of 4 first, and then you can find the multiples of 5. After this, look at the multiples of 4 and 5 that have the same number. Where is the same number? It's 20. So the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20. Yep. So they will swim together on the 20th day. Okay. Okay, I think enough for the review. Yeah, if you have a question, if you don't understand about my explanation, you can ask me in my WhatsApp number. Okay. Good luck for the test. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.